Today I'll talk about decision making under uncertainty. This is my third lecture on decision making. Link for first two lectures I have given in description of this video. So as I told you in my previous lectures, decision making is usually under three situations: under certainty, under risk, and under uncertainty. Today I'll talk about decision making under uncertainty when there is non-competitive situation. In my next video, I will talk about game theory, which is decision making under uncertainty with competitive situation. So, non-competitive decision making under uncertainty, these are the various methods and tools. One is Maximax, the other is Maximin, third is Laplace method, then Hurwitz criteria, and Minimax regret. I'll take this example which I have taken previously. There is a firm who want to decide whether to increase the production or not to increase the production in anticipation of future demand. So future demand may be high, it may remain same, or it may decrease. So these are various states of nature. And this is a payoff matrix. If we increase production and demand is high, the profit will be 1800 and so on. So first we use Maximax method. In this, we identify the maximum payoff for each alternative and we write it like this. So for first alternative course of action, the maximum payoff is 1800. For second alternative course of action, the maximum payoff is 1100. Then we identified the maximum of this maximum value. Hence it is maximax. So maximum of these maximum values in 1800. So we should go for increase in production. Then maximin. Here we identify the minimum payoff of each alternative course of action. So these are minimum payoffs: 400 for first alternative course of action, 350 for the next alternative course of action. Then we identify the maximum of these minimum values. So this is maximin criteria. So we should go for increased production on the basis of this criteria. Then is the Laplace method. In Laplace method, since it is decision making under uncertainty, we don't have probabilities. In Laplace method, we assign equal probabilities to each state of nature. So there are three states of nature. So we assign one-third probability each for these different states of nature. And we calculate the expected monetary value as I discussed in my first video lecture. So expected monetary value of first course of action is 900. Expected monetary value of second course of action is 816.7. So we should go for increase in production. Then Hurwitz criteria. In Hurwitz criteria, we calculate the weighted average, which is equal to alpha multiplied by maximum payoff plus 1 minus alpha multiplied by minimum payoff for each alternative course of action, where alpha is between 0 and 1. In this example, I have taken alpha as 0.8 and I have calculated the weighted average. So this is the maximum weighted average. We should go for increased production by Hurwitz criteria. Then I'll talk about the last tool for decision making under uncertainty. To use this tool, we need to convert the profit matrix to opportunity loss matrix. For this, for each column, we identify the maximum value and subtract each value from that maximum value. So for first column, the result is 0 because 1800 minus 1800 is 0. 1800 minus 1100 is 700. Similarly, the maximum value For second column is 1000. We subtract 500, so 500 and then 0. The maximum value here, third column is 400. So the resultant opportunity loss matrix, third column is 0 and 50. So this is the opportunity loss matrix. Because this is the opportunity loss, that is, we will regret this. So we write the maximum regret for each alternative course of action. For first alternative course of action, the maximum regret or maximum loss which we will regret is 500. So we write 500 here. Then for second course of action, 700 is the maximum regret. Then out of these maximum regret, we will identify the minimum of these maximum regret. So we should go for increased production here. So these are the various tools which we use for decision making under uncertainty. Thank you very much.